Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making some slime. For the people who don't know, but I think all of you guys know how to make slime. So first you need glue, then you need a container. I don't know why I'm using a Band-Aid container, but like, why not? And if you're using a container that has had stuff in it, I'd wash it out. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Okay, so I'm going to wash out my container. I would just put water in it if it's not that bad. But if you see like a lot of stuff in it, then I would. If you get it from like a bin from like Target or something, then I think you're fine. Oh, perfect. No. Let's see. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close it and then like swish it up like that so it gets everywhere. Okay, now I'm gonna dry it. My cap is bent a little bit, but that's okay. I need a cup. The cups are over here. You know what? I'm gonna use this cup. Now, to make your activator, you need borax, and the borax is in the basement. Okay, I got the borax. And now, I already have a cup. Now I need a measuring cup. You're supposed to fill, I think, a cup. No, you're supposed to fill it to, I'm going to fill it to a cup of warm water. I have my water. It's warmed up. And here's my spoon. Borax. You're supposed to put a teaspoon of borax. If you got our book, you would know. But I can't find it, so I'm just doing this. If you add a little, if you use like a spoon like I am, then I would just use a little bit at a time. Well, that's what you're supposed to do anyways. You can put the activator in and then mix it, or you can just start mixing it and put the activator in. So we'll be right back. So I'm gonna make mine kind of like a cereal slime because I got these for my bath bomb, but I'm gonna use it in the slime. So yeah, you can use any glue you want. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna take the cap off. Yes. We'll be back once this gets out. Okay, I'm back. I have this little bottle. My mom got it for me. And you don't have to add the whole thing. If you want to see, I didn't add a lot. I also have these tiny little bitty containers. These ones. I was at a birthday party a few months ago. Yeah, I think it was in April or May. And, her favorite candy was these. It said to only take one, but, like, I couldn't help it because it was good. I did not like the mint ones. So, yeah, I kept the containers. If I were you, I would put the beads in before, but you can really do whatever you want. I'm going to put some in before, some in after. Wow, it looks so cool. I love it. I'm going to grab another spoon so I can mix it up. So now, I would grab a tiny bitty spoon, but like whatever. Wait, why am I mixing it with? I'm like not even doing anything. This will like never end well. Okay. Alright. I'll be back once this gets good. Guys, I'm back. And the slime turned out really good, but I forgot that what the bath bombs came with, it dissolved. If you know what I mean. Like, not the surprises inside, but like the stuff you put on it to decorate it. So these dissolved in the slime to make it harder to make. But it's made now, and it's like a jiggly slime almost. It's really fun, but really weird at the same time. I love it. Okay, you can like skip through the video if you don't want to see me take it out. It was a bad idea to make it in like something that's like tight, if you know what I mean. If you know what I mean. Wee. This is taking forever, so I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so as you see, I can't get all of it out, but we're gonna do the test now. I mean, it's still a good slime. Actually, I'm gonna add some more activator. It's a teensy bit sticky, but I mean, that's good. You don't want it to be really stiff. I like rubbing it like that. It's not the best slime in the world. I mean, it's jiggly, and I don't know how, because I did not add water. Well, except for the activator. So, bubble, that's a pass, I guess. Yes. Stretchiness. Awesome. I don't know how I make good slime. I don't want to brag and say I make great slime, but a lot of my friends actually think I'm not bragging. So, like, clicky test. Definitely. And it's like high, if you know what I mean. Like, that's high, and I like when it does that. So now the slime swirl, ice cream swirl, whatever you want to call it. It's kind of like whatever that word is. Whee! Okay, so now we're going to do the outro. So, I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye. But wait. We have bloopers. I don't care, I have 10 bedrooms. Stretchy. Bye.